In this video lesson, you'll discover what the simultaneous contrast is and how to use it in watercolor painting.
Let's check how the simultaneous contrast works for grayscale swatches. Here is a selection of 4 neutral grays with different tonal values. Let's duplicate these swatches so that we have 2 identical sets of grays. If we place one set on the dark background and another on the light, something happens. The range of grays on the left-hand side doesn't look identical to the swatches on the right-hand side anymore. Such visual change of tonal values is called the simultaneous contrast on lightness. Should we take 2 identical gray swatches with absolutely equal tonal values and place them on the same cube, their tonal values would not appear equal anymore.